kind of like mediocre motel. It's like the unspeakable gaming motel, you know? Everything is super luxurious. They have like a really nice pool. Dude, it's like top notch. This is like the nicest place you've probably ever stayed in your life. And then it's always booked. Oh, good luck getting inside. This is not what do you mean? It says motel. Are you saying I was trash? Are you just stuff with what do you mean, dude? Last time I was here, it was beautiful. There was drinks by the pool. Oh, dude. Okay, let me tell you. From the look of it right here, it looks like this place has seen some serious damage the last time I visited. Yeah, it looks like a little damaging. Yeah, this definitely looks like a place I will have to say, Garrett. That's true. Got him. Got it. Big got it. I got two of the same guns. What am I doing with my lap? Not look bad. Oh, there's a chip right here. Look. Here. Did I really miss the chip over there? Open it up. Oh, you see, you get some C4. I'm gonna do my best to give you your first ever victory out, but listen. Oh, dude, you gotta use your PUBG skills that you brought on over. And I'll do my best to build for you, and because building is key in this game. It's like Minecraft. You just gotta build a lot. So can you only hold 5 things at a time? You have 5 slots. Yeah, that's the max you can hold. So it's not like PUBG where you can get backpacks. You have like no backpacks, man. That's all like you have to really choose your items carefully. We gotta be careful with our backs over here. So like we're big Catholic parachute. You can see we're on the zone, right? So we want to make our way towards the middle, but we gotta be careful because we just came from an area that people don't land that, but in front of us there's people for sure. Yeah, for sure. I know a lot about PUBG. PUBG games usually last pretty long. Fortnite seems to be a lot more fast paced. How long is a Fortnite game usually last? Because I have been playing Fortnite a little bit, but I haven't like. So if you get all the way to the end from start to finish, 23 minutes. So not too long in comparison to what you're probably used to. I'm kind of surprised we haven't seen anyone yet. There's only 37 people left. Might be a good thing for our advantage here. We gotta get some high action though, dude. We gotta get in the thick of it. So what is the best gun in Fortnite right now? The best gun in Fortnite? Probably, I don't know, man. This depends on the like your personal preference. That's my job. Yeah. Oh, let's get it. Oh, this is a bad idea, but all right. This is a really bad idea, but it's right here. First time ever opening a crate. Open it. And I'm gonna go. What do we got here? What is the golden eagle? Not that good. What? Are they gonna do the job for you? No. Wait, so how do I mean, hey, it's out of ammo. It's over here. I'll give you some. I have. There's 288 rounds for it. So like that thing is really good to just like unload on somebody, but it's only I don't know. It's really easy to get shot. You have to hold this down. You know, like fire. Dude, I don't understand how there's nobody here. This is so weird. I know. Like, are we going for a win right now? Dude, if we got a win right now, like this is the crazy thing. Unspeakable hasn't played much, right? His first few games, we're about to get him to get his first crate this episode. He's playing in a movie theater room, and we're gonna get a victory way out. So like, dude, all these things combined, like, what can go wrong? And like, right when I say that, we get shot. Watch I bet. Yeah, dude, accident, man. I feel like we're having too much fun.
Let's go.
Do we just keep running towards the circle? Like,
Let's go away.
Wait, let's make a place to go. Okay, I need farm materials. Do you know how to build? Or no? Yeah, that's one. Kind of going around. I haven't built anything yet, but man. Okay, so I changed all my key bindings. Oh, dude, another drop, dude. What? Okay, let's go for it again. Back to back, dude. You want to do a glitch? Sure. All right, with your minigun right now, start shooting at the enemy. All right, now stop shooting right now. Stop. And come to me. Okay. Stand right underneath. Quick. Run. Where? Okay, what are we doing? Let me know when you're here. I'm here. Now you're on top. Normally it's supposed to go all the way where the balloon is. Okay, by the way, I feel like we're the only ones playing this right now, dude. 17 people left. Everybody. Alright, good. Hello?
Let's go.
I can't believe we haven't seen anyone, but I kind of like it though. But yeah, we're going to start seeing a lot of people in a second. Let's feel like that. Make sure everyone's just good. There's a running road here. I just think, materials back. Alright, let's, maybe, I have 2 players on me. Oh, the people on me. You go to the hill. So we just have. Oh, I see. I'm coming, I'm right up behind you. Did they run off? Oh, they're here.
Let's go, dude.
They're inside there. Dude, let's go! Nice. Okay, now there's one guy. Okay, the guy from us, 210.
Yeah, boys, let's go.
There's guys right in front of us. Southwest 240. Are they in that? Oh, yeah, they're in that thing. Let's not peek them yet. Let's not peek them. There's guys who are right as well. Okay, oh god. I got a minigun, so whatever. Watch out. Come on. Whoa! Get out of here. Let's get out of here. Come on. Run this way. Oh, Nate! It's blocked through the wall. Okay, I'm gonna build up. You're really good at. See, the thing is, I'm really good at this whole building thing. Yep, building is key, man. There we go. Jump. Okay. And then jump again. Up. No. Jump. There. There you go. You shot it from about 285. Oh, you go back to this. Oh, God. Yeah, go back to over there. Go to that spot. Yeah. Okay. This is a sick base, dude. Ooh, I just got hit hard. Where from? Is that a rocket launcher? That is, dude. These guys are pressing us hard, dude. Dude, you should get out of here. I have 2 advantages. I have 15. You drop them for me. How do you drop them? Press I and click on them and press X. I just dropped it. So low. I have 2 health. 2 health? Alright, careful with those guys southeast of us. They're making a lot of noise, so it's sort of a good thing. The other player might shoot.
Coming.
I'm really struggling right now, man. It's really. Oh, one of them just got knocked, I think. Maybe they just shot somebody. I don't know. This guy right in front of us. Watch out. West. Be careful. Watch your back. You guys right there. Oh, literally right in front of us. Okay. I'm gonna build up again. Circle's getting pretty small. Okay. Go over there with that ramp thing. What's circle gonna go next? Oh, we gotta move. We have to go to these guys and help them. That one?
Coming.
Oh, we got a rocket launcher coming in. Oh no, Nathan! Are you good? I'm not. Here, over here, down here. Go down here.
Coming, dude.
Where are you? Over here, yeah. The guy behind me I knocked, so that's good. These guys are distracted my base. We should be good. We should be alright. 38 seconds to go south. Okay, you got me in?
Cooper.
Blue.
Blue.
Come on! Right there, Nathan! Right there! In front of you! Shoot!
Cooper. I'm playing PUBG, bro. The real one.
Yeah, that was a good game, though. Alright, dude, let's get this going. It's first victory round. Let's go. Here.
People shooting, people shooting, people shooting.
There might be a lot of people coming here because it's right at the beginning of the bus of the departure. So, we're gonna get the win. We're gonna get the win.
This is
I know we're gonna get the win. Come on. Like, where do you do that? But no one's here, dude. It's only us. Oh, this is where they're drunk last time.
You guys need to get good, eh?
You grab that chest, I'll grab the chest over here.
Check him out.
Well, hey, dude, don't worry, you got one though, and I believe in you. That's all that matters. I'm here to support you and your dreams. I want to be the best. You will be, dude. After this training session, I'm gonna make you the best there ever was. Yeah, I think before when I was the best, I played a lot of Fortnite before this. Just kind of practicing. I mean, played a little bit, but I just never used it. But I think it's because I never used it. Oh yeah, you'll never learn to use it. That's the thing that makes Fortnite and PUBG so different. Is that you have to build. If you don't build, then you're always having to do that. It's just kind of like you always have the low ground. You're supposed to build on top of it, right? How you looking, Oliver? How you looking? Pretty good. I mean, not anything amazing, but I'm just getting a ton of wood right now. Pretty much looking at everything that I can get as much material as possible.
Wolverines. X-Men Origins Wolverine. Yeah.